hopeful. Yan ang pakiramdam ni Ate Pia nang makasama sina Father Rocky Evangelista ng Don Bosco and Hilary Overton ng Cebu. Mula sa pagbubuntis hanggang sa pagsilang ng sanggol, matatakbuhan na ang Glory Reborn Organization sa Cebu. Kaya't lumipad si Ate Pia sa Kabisayaan para mapasalamatan si Hilary.
Ang yakap ng isang ina ay walang kapantay. Isa sa mga unang natrabaho ko nung naging senador ako in 2004 ay yung kahalagahan ng buhay ng isang ina. Hindi ko ma-imagine na lumaki ang isang bata na walang ina. Naging napaka-importante sa trabaho ko yung maternal health, yung kalusugan ng nanay. Kasi ang kalusugan ng anak na dinadala niya, nag-uumpisa yun sa kalusugan ng nanay. And karamihan ng ina na nagkakasakit at namamatay ay dahil wala silang access, no? Wala silang mapuntahan na center na makapagtulong sa kanila. Kaya nandito ako sa Cebu. I'm so excited kay Magbisaya na ako, ha? So sa atong mga friends, mga neighbors diri ko sa Cebu karon to visit Glory Reborn.
Welcome to Glory. So good to see you again. Yay! Thank you for coming.
I know.
So good to see you.
So good to see you.
Welcome to Glory Reborn Cebu.
Yeah. I'm so happy na nakaabot ko dire. Finally.
Me too. I'm so happy.
Dugay na ta nagplan and finally it happened.
Here it is. This is the day. Thank you so much. It means a lot.
Tell everybody, what is Glory Reborn?
Well, Glory Reborn is really God's story because we believe that God's goodness is in everybody. And here at Glory Reborn, we get to invest specifically in mothers and babies.
Yes.
And we know that these mothers and babies have God's goodness in them, and it's rebirth to the next generation. And as we help the community, we see the community grow in God's goodness and His glory from generation to generation. And that's with healthcare, and that's with hope, and that's with the heart to serve. Yeah.
It was already in your mind na this is what you want to do in the Philippines.
Yes.
Like help mothers.
Yes.
So yung degree mo, imagine guys, yung degree niya, she got it to serve the Filipino people. I mean, really.
I love the Philippines, yeah. I love serving moms and babies, and this is a beautiful country with beautiful people. And there's so much richness in the mothers and babies, and I'm so excited for the future because this is the next generation. And I love the honor of our team getting to invest in them, so yeah.
So show us around, Hilary.
Sure, I'd love to.
Okay.
I'd love to. So this is our level 2 clinical laboratory, and we are so grateful to have the laboratory in our facility.
Okay. How long has this been here? This is new.
So this is our second year for the clinical laboratory.
Okay.
So one of the main reasons why we wanted to have the laboratory is so that it could really be a one-stop shop. So when the mothers come, they're spending money to take their fare.
And time.
Yes.
Nagtatrabaho, naghahanap buhay.
Exactly.
So
which as mothers is very time-consuming. Every minute counts. So. So when they come, they can have not just their prenatal checkup, they can also have their health teaching, and they can have their laboratory done as well as their ultrasound, and then see the doctor right on the spot.
And what's your latest?
So the great thing is that we're able to do HIV testing for our mothers, and so this is a really big advocacy of Glory Reborn because we really want all of our mothers to have access to free HIV testing, and we're grateful for our partners at DOH who really helped make this possible for them.
Well, I'm proud of that. As a senator, that's my job. I've been handling the budget of the DOH and PhilHealth for 3 years now. So I'm proudly a part of all this because I also, whatever DOH tells us we need, I scrutinize it, I study it, and HIV today is very different from what it was 30, 40 years ago, diba? So karon, you can be tested, and I think the message we want is people shouldn't be scared. Of course, there are ways you can prevent it. And the nice thing is you do counseling also, diba? I think everything starts with prevention, taking care of yourself, avoiding these situations that But if it does happen na na-expose ka, karon diri sa imong clinic na testing and then na pa counseling, right?
Yes, that's correct.
And you were saying that you have what is it? Counseling for mothers?
Support group.
Oh, a support
Yes.
group.
So although Glory Reborn can't cater mothers who test positive, their journey doesn't stop because we created a support group where they can, exchange ideas and help each other and be encouraged through our team of counseling.
Salamat, Hillary! Salamat, Glory Reborn! Salamat, Ate Pia!
Kung may kabataan namang naligaw dahil sa kung anumang sakuna, personal man o dahil sa kapaligiran, maitutuwid ang kanilang landas sa pangangalaga ng Tuloy Foundation Incorporated. Kaya pinuntahan ni Ate Pia ang founder nito, si Father Rocky, para ipakilala ang kanilang inspiring na kwento at siyempre, pinasalamatan ang ating programa.
Nandito po tayo ngayon sa Tuloy sa Don Bosco. And I'm very excited na ang kasama natin ay walang iba kundi si Father Rocky.
Thank you, Pia.
Hello,
Thank you,
hello.
Alona.
Can I give you a hug?
Oh, yeah, sure.
So, Father, this is a home for children in difficult situations.
In all kinds of difficulty and poverty, orphans, foundling, children in distress, pinulot sa kalye,
war, diba? War
victims
zones.
of war zone.
Marami kang bata, sabi mo na taga Cotabato.
Cotabato, we have rescued or brought here mga 109 na.
Wow, and mostly girls, correct?
Half of them are girls,
Half of
more
them
than
are girls.
half.
They sleep here, they eat here, they study here, and they
They play football.
they play football. So you said you chose football for these kids. So it's part of their life.
Yes, I call it training for life.
Training
I
for
even will call
life.
it gateway to success.
Gateway to success. Actually, show me around how our lives of these different kids have literally changed. So, tour mo na ako, Father. Excited ako to show everybody where we
Yes.
are.
Yes.
Father! So, we're here on our happiest place on earth.
My favorite place. I spend 6 hours a day dito.
Wow.
Yeah.
Talaga ba?
Because this is where I see the transformation of children.
Tama. I kind of get you. Like, you could sit here and just watch them. So tell us about this transformation of children that you see from the day that you took them from the streets or from a war-torn part of the country. What happens to them?
Kasi, Senator Pia, these kids naturally, they have a low self-esteem. They think they cannot succeed in studies or this or that. But it is natural for the child to run and to play.
Tama nga, we forget that, no?
We forget
That's
that.
innate in a kid to
Yes,
want
to
to
run.
play.
So let them move.
Ah,
Okay?
So when they get here, first order of business, laro kayo.
Pero kayo, punta kayo sa
Talaga
field.
ba?
And then they see the others playing, they enjoying. Oh, I like to be like that.
Nainggit. Kahit
Na-
pa paano.
yeah, they're inspired.
Naengganyo. Father, I want the people watching us to meet some kids kasi kahit ako, I'm so inspired by their lives. Let's call in Cyril.
Well, in sports, yun ang muna natin.
Sige.
I present to you Cyril. His nickname is Patu.
Pato,
He
let's
started
go. Takbo.
when he came at 8 years
Hello,
old.
hello.
Okay, kayo dalawa.
Oh, 8 years old pa lang, nandito ka na.
Oo.
Grabe sa muscle, ah. Teka, hindi. Kaya ako nabanggit kasi kinikwento mo sa akin nung sobrang liit niya, pag sumipa, tumba.
Tumba kasi.
Ngayon yung muscle niya.
Ay, hindi na.
Baka
No
ako yung
more.
patumba.
No more.
Tapos, teka muna, let's start with the Big Bang. Tama ba na nasa ASCAL's development team ka na?
Opo.
Wow. For your information, ang ASCAL's development team is ito na yung parang training pool. Ito na yung youth pool ng mga future Philippine team
Filipino
natin.
team.
Ang galing mo naman.
Thank you.
Congratulations. But that doesn't come easy, I'm sure.
Ay.
I'm sure grabe trabaho mo. So, paano na ngayon? You're still studying o ano?
Tuloy pa rin po sa senior high.
Wow. So,
But
senior
they will be
high.
trained to be coaches.
Okay. So, doon ako excited, Father, kasi when you said na they will be trained to be coaches, ako naman, sa buhay ko naman bilang isang mambabatas, gusto ko sa senior high pa lang, maganda ang program for coaches para pag-graduate mo ng senior high, prepared ka na maging coach Yun yung gusto ko. Ngayon, kung gusto mo pang mag-college ng
Okay,
coaching, additional pa yun.
Oh.
But yun yung goal ko na senior high pa lang, you're prepared. And may program ako na galing pa sa Portugal. Kaya excited ako, Father, to introduce that to DepEd for the
Okay.
senior high track for coaching.
Yes,
Because
yes.
a lot of your students here will somehow maybe want a career related to
Yes.
sports dahil parang ako kagisnan ko na yan eh. Ngayon, gumagawa na lang ako ng batas tungkol sa sports.
Okay.
Diba?
Yeah. Ang galing-galing. Okay.
O sige, Cyril, meet natin yung mga
Dali mo
mga
si
kasama
Shem
mo.
doon.
Tara.
Dali mo doon.
Hello.
See you! I want to say that every time I'm here, I'm very inspired.
Thank
And
you.
every time I'm here, I see something new. It's such a pleasure. I truly thank God for you and everything that you do for our country and for the kids. You are a kindred soul to me. And I know na a lot of these kids galing sa hirap at sa gutom. So ang munting pasasalamat namin ay more
Ay.
food. More
Well,
food.
It's a privilege.
Yeah.
It's a privilege that you took time and you brought your people here.
Yeah.
You are truly inspiring, and this is your second home.
Inimbitahan natin si Father Rocky sa programa at dito inabot natin ang una sa 10,000 pesos monthly na itutulong natin sa foundation. Higit pa rito, may inabot pa tayong mga pagkain mula sa Century Tuna at inumin mula sa Hope in a Bottle. May mga bola rin tayong ibinigay na makakatulong pa sa mga future athletes na kinukupkop ng Tuloy Foundation ni Father Rocky.
Kung may mga alam kayong kwentong nakaka-inspire or may mga kakilala kayong walang pag-iimbot ang pagtulong sa ating kapwa, i-comment lang ninyo sa ating mga social media pages at malay po ninyo sila ang ating sunod na mapapasalamatan. Sa ating pagbabalik, mas palalawakin natin ang inyong kaalaman sa batas sa Kuya Alan, Ate Pia, Yes or No, sa pagbabalik ng Cayetano in Action with Boy Abunda.